Okay. Am I good? Let me check the audio one more time. Okay. I think we're chilling. Hopefully. Maybe. Sorta. So is this working, I wonder? It seems to be working perfectly fine. Let me see how this looks. Serial icon theme. Do I have icons? I do. Whoa. Okay. This seems to be working perfectly fine. Fingers crossed. Ugh. So if I like yeah. Okay, I think that's good. It's good volume.
J'aimerais tant que ça marche, que je ne te dis pas tout, pour que tu me reviennes heureuse. J'aimerais tant que ça marche, que je ne te dis pas tout, mais j'ai jamais cessé d'être amoureuse. Alors j'attends que la vie passe, que le temps fasse son effet. Et j'ai peur quand j'y pense, d'oublier qui j'étais. J'attends de ton envie qu'elle ressuscite.
There.
Que je m'évanouisse devant ce qui m'attend pour demain. On retiendra de notre ambition qu'elle était digne, avec un soupçon d'utopie.
Right? So now like literally this is the only thing open. So I can't accidentally risk. I mean, I can still risk showing something if I'm dumb enough, but it should be good. I don't think I have any API keys or really anything in this project, so should be chilling. Should be. Should be is the keyword there, or should. It's the keyword. Kind of wanna. No mouse. This is gonna be a no mouse test run. Okay. First things first. I need to get the other Pong logic open. I'd like to have them both open at the same time. That really doesn't need to be open. This doesn't need to be opened either. Now here's where I run into a little bit of an issue. Let's see. Really? I thought I tried that. Oh, it's just different now. Is it? I guess so. Okay. Anyway. So now I can swap between these two. And I can also hide that if I need to. Yeah, okay. And then if I need full screen, if I need true full screen as well. What is profiling extensions? Okay, dog. Pong logic. Right? No. Yeah, I'm dumb. I'm gonna be Pong logic. Well, I feel like the best first thing to do would be like a score. You would want a score. I guess you would want that to be private though. Now we can come down here and we could have a get score. I think I might just define everything in here actually. Yeah. Go ahead and do that. Ah! Almost forgot. I actually really don't like this. Having it in the second desktop. I used to do that, but I really don't have anything on this computer to warrant that. Oh, that's funny. Have to be very careful because when I alt tab, it all shows up right here. Like I really don't have anything open. I guess this is the tab I have to be careful of. Like the worst thing I'm gonna have is like a freaking piano. Oh, I guess here. I don't want to dox anything either. Oh boy. There, I'll stay in 6-man's bot. Hopefully that'll do. Alright. You know what? Screw Pong logic. I'm just going to make... Oh, no. Let's see. If Control B opens this... Oops. If Control B opens this... Oh, I don't like that. What the Ethernet cable just fell on my leg. That's weird. And that's a new tab. Or new completely whole thing. Okay. That's not it. Control Shift B. Nope. Nope. That's not it either. Control Alt B is that. I knew that. Control B and then Alt B. That's not it. Okay. We're looking it up. How to focus on what is that? Sidebar in VS Code? Control 0? Are we real? I guess so. How to rename current file in VS Code. Oh, it's just Control Shift E, so it has a hotkey. Let's try it out. Control Shift E. Oh, and then F2. Oh, Control Shift E goes to the Explorer. Gotcha. Where the file is. That's actually kind of huge. Not gonna lie. Yeah, all this is useless right now. There you go. Should be able to just hide that. Bring this up. Oops. Gosh, this is freaking cool. Extensions. Enable all. Ah. Ah, it has its own. Oh. I like this, because you can cycle through it. Oh, okay. Yeah. That one's sick. I like that one. That one's cool as well. Does this one have... Yeah, this one has the pink. Oh. Actually, I kind of like this one. It's like an older feel, almost. Oh, Solarized is pretty cool as well. Ah, here's the classic. Yeah, that's the new. Because this is, I think, the classic, and then this one's the new one. believe so. Abyss. Oh, so they're actually... Oh! Wait, this is dope. I guess I should have this and this pulled up to really get the full experience, you know? No, Control K, Control T. Browse additional. Oh, that's cool. I really like that one. I'll keep that one. Can I do... Okay. Guess I should stay here just in case. Ah, of course. That one's kind of cool. Not a fan of slanted text. The italicized comments and the italicized include. Oh, I reached the bottom. Yeah, that's just normal. Yeah, it's another one with italics. I've got one. That's pretty cool. The Quiet Light. It's probably one of my favorites right now. This one as well. This one's just pretty cool. I don't like that at all. Red? It could grow on me. It could grow. I think between these two, I like this one the best. For sure. I might actually use this one. I'll try this one out for a little bit. Okay, I don't actually know how to shuffle between those. There's like a way, I know. Like this? Okay, hold up. How to shuffle. One, two, three, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Oh, really? So I can do that to jump over here. And I can do this to jump over here. And this to jump there. Or, if I forget... Oh, I can go... Nope. I go here. Nope. I go here. Nope. I go here. Nope. Okay, well, I think it lied. Yeah. Unless I'm using the wrong... Nope, that's the right one. Okay, well that's cool to know. It's cool to know. But really these are only the 3 I ever need to access. If we get extensions and files, I don't really use anything else. At least not right now. Get the mouse off screen. Oh, I don't like that at all. Nope, I went to here. You know what? Let's get... I kind of mess with this idea almost a little bit. It's kind of cursed. Worn out faces. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Why am I homesick? I wanna go. I must use my mouse when I should be doing. Aha! There we go. And I get that hidden. Actually, I don't mind having this one pulled up. Like, and I'm bored of being bored. Foreign language, como se dice? Take me there, I wanna go. I wanna go far away where nobody knows. Nothing to do. We're starting new. Oh, a paddle? I don't know what it's called. Starting anywhere. That's not what I meant to do. Actually, just gonna close that for now. Same thing with this and this. Now we just work. Actually, I don't like that at all. I like having this. Move up. This is just gonna be like what? And nope. position minus minus. So be position plus plus. It's pretty simple. Move up, move down. Cause yeah, it would be complicated to invert it because the way render engines work is like, or at least like mine and the one that I'm like, the ones I've modeled after, like it's a 0 to like width, and then it's like you know, like this is like 0 to heights. Like that. I don't even know if I need this. If I need it, I'll add it. It's gonna be super simple. Guess I could do like padding. Say paddle padding. That's funny. Equals. Set it as an initial value. Actually, we'll set all of these as an initial value, just to be safe. Not like that. Move up, move down. We'll say bool. We'll have to have a check position. This will return still return false for now. What does this need to do? Oh, that's cool. Learning a bunch of new stuff right now. Pretty cool, pretty cool. You treat me like a friend, not a lover. Feelings more discovered. I wish I told you sooner the things that I felt. But she found somebody else, and I'm alone with love songs to myself. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not messing with this theme. Yeah. Move down, position, check position. We need to return. We'll just say check if position is valid after a movement. After movement. Yeah. So we'll say if position plus paddle padding is greater than int x height. I don't know. It's greater than max height. Yeah, I guess this is the return false, right? And then you would just have return true if not. Or position minus paddle padding is less than 0. Yeah, we can just, there's no need to like keep in track if it's moved up or down, low key, because like I guess we could have this return like false rerun, ret run. Like if this returned false. Okay, hold up. I actually don't want anything with lyrics right now. We're gonna put on here we go. There we go. Perfect. And if this is like return true, then we can just pass the result of move up, move down into check position. Actually, we wouldn't even need to do that. We could just have, yeah. No, it does not matter. Because I want to return. Check position. Oh my gosh, dude. Return check position. Well, no, I guess you would have. I guess you would want to like do result equals check position. Then you would have if result return results else. I guess you would just want return result at the end no matter what. But if not results, then position plus plus. Right? Then we can do the same here. Shit. Shoot, I mean. Yeah. So we have bool result here. Wait, whoa. Why do we need a whole move up, move down? Or do we? You know what? We're literally just gonna have move bool dir. We're gonna have if dir if dir position plus plus. Then we're gonna have else position minus minus. And then we're gonna check the move in the result. If not result, if not position, normally you can get away with that, but I think if you have an else here, maybe not. I don't actually know proper. Like, does this work? Is that valid? Is this valid? Gosh, if this wasn't if C wasn't so tedious to compile, I'm honestly kind of lazy. But like, I'm getting no error. Like now I'm kind of worried. Because you could do like if dir. God, this looks awful. Else position. Like this. It's not giving any error. If not result. So if it is not valid, if not position. So if you move down. No. If not dir. Position plus plus else position minus because you want it. If not up, you want to move it down because these need to be switched, I believe. Because if direction, no, because we want up. Yeah, no, this is up. Okay, and this is down. And if not down, then we want it to go. If not valid, if direction, yes, good enough. Return result. That might be a little too overcomplicated for no reason. It's compact though, pretty efficient. If position plus paddle padding. I mean, oops. Why isn't that working? I thought that was the shortcut. Is it not? Is it not? Am I tripping? Oh, I am tripping, actually. Oh, that's just ugly. Position plus paddle padding. Let's go to the max height. Or no, what if we did this? We set it to max height. And then this we just set to 0. Because, like, technically that's the only way this could ever happen. And this is just like an extra little failsafe. So, like, say it gets sent off to the moon for some reason. Like, this is as far as it's gonna go. That way, it like never breaks any kind of math. I think that's good. That's it. Now we can technically start programming without the mouse. We can start programming the actual game itself. I have the system API here, which has which has quite a few things to mess around with. Oh, what? Also, I just found out today you can just like select this and like you could select all of these and just delete them. Ah, I did not mean to do that. Please just go away. You're not welcome here. Oh my. There was a really beautiful way to go back. I forget how to do it. How to go back in VS Code. Oh. That's so much simpler than I was thinking it would be. Alright, so if I go to System API, then I can just go, oh, and then I can go back, oh. Look at the render engine. Oh. Ba ba boom. Ba ba boom. Ba ba boom. Boom. Ba 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 ba. Anyway. I got an input manager. Close it. Let me go ahead and Pong. We're gonna hashtag include. That's not even close to what I was typing, bro. Not that. Nope. Right, is this local? Oh, it is, okay. So now I can just like Pong. And I can go here and I can do actually yeah, you don't want to keep that in global, and then I can do Pong. Right? We'll go with it. Because this here, I don't even need left and right. Let me go ahead and just get rid of those. Input is pressed. Let me just check, because the current emulator game loader does that. And the sample game will main. Okay, main runs or loads all of this in, including the emulator drivers. And then it loads the cart. So I just have to switch out the cart and then run it. Gosh, I forgot how simple I made that. Holy. This is huge. Dream come true. Because like I could literally just compile this and like see if it worked. Do I know how? Not a clue. We'll probably figure it out somewhat easily. I'm assuming this. If I come up to binary, I open this. Okay, this is half of this is like not even needed. This is just to make it like pretty small. Makes it quite a deal smaller. This is really all I need. And then I'm gonna go ahead and save this as Control K M SH shell script, and we're going to say this. But instead of games, we're gonna do... Actually, it is gonna be games, Pong, and then Pong. And then we're gonna save that to games, and then we're going to do... Do I just overwrite the other game DLL? I mean, I guess I could. And simplify it quite a bit. I'll just name this compile pong.sh. I guess it's already in .sh. Then I just come here and do binary compile Pong. Yeah, I guess I did forget to like say anything. Pong compiled successfully. That doesn't look right. We're going with it. We'll do that. Hey. And now I should just be able to run main from here directly and see that we have a box, which is good because that means it worked. And NVIDIA thinks something absolutely crazy just happened because it popped up with the overlay. It thinks it's a game, so that's how we know we're getting somewhere. But no, that's actually pretty good news, in all fairness, because it means that now we can actually get cooking with Fire, and we can have an API input that is basically just move right Pong dot move, and then we're gonna say we're gonna say can we go to Pong and actually get a const enum? I'm not gonna lie, I don't know enums well at all, but I just want to say down, up, yeah. Or wait a minute, you just need a comma. That's the only reason you're not working. Oh wait, can I name you though? Oh, I can. Okay. That's what it was. So enum enumerator freaking direction, and then we go back here, and now instead of this we can do direction down, which should, I'm just gonna hover this. How can I do that? How to have the effect of hovering over something. A hotkey in VS Code. Hopefully it knows what I'm saying. Control K, Control I. Control K, Control I. It's not it. It's not quite it. Control K, Control S. Show hover. Control K, Control I. Maybe I have to be like in it a bit more. Ah, okay. Because this is technically outside the cursor. That's big. That's big to know. I use that a lot. But yeah, and then if I do up, I mean, it shows me there on the right. If I just open my eyes, which actually is the one that I wanted to do. So I'm gonna go here and do move. We'll do direction down. Again, that's cursed. Another reason it's cursed is because we actually want the rectangle to be drawn at this is X, this would be Y. So you actually just can do Pong dot oh. I don't actually have anything to get the position. Which is unfortunate. So let's do that real quick. And now I can do Pong dot get position. And honestly, now if I compile it and run it, you know, not quite, not quite. It's getting there. It's I know why. I know why. I do know why. Because we want the we now want to do like we'll do we'll see. Now when we compile it, it will successfully. Oh! No way the wraparound worked. That's not exactly what it should do. But you know what? I'm not that mad. That's actually pretty cool. That's crazy that this is just working, though. That's what's astounding me. That it's just working. I'm actually going to mute the Spotify for you guys. The reason being, I know YouTube's going to claim it. Unfortunately, and I do want to reference this if I ever make a video on this. So, yeah. Okay, but this is crazy, but it's also cool. But it's also like right there. It should wrap. Oh, it does wrap. Oh, because that's technically 0. Oh, that explains why it. Interesting, interesting, interesting. Dang. Okay. Enough playing around. So basically, now position. That's crazy though, because like this is a completely unrelated program. Sorry, I still can't get over it, the fact that this is working. And it's loading the game like fully properly. Fully properly. Like properly. This is loading the game in and just telling it, "Hey, this is where you get the address for the system API. Here it is." Crazy. Absolute insanity. Insane work. Uh, okay. Let's continue working here. Paddle padding. Or actually, I'll do paddle length. Uh, Whoops. So this is what I technically should be right now. Oh. Oh, because 0 minus 5, it literally can't get out of, of, what did I just do? That's not what I wanted to do in the slightest. Um, what I do want to do, however, is, goodness, yawning, tired. I want to go down here and do, okay, can I just do, like, int paddle padding is just a function of, you know what, we're gonna say it is just 5 for now, but I have an idea of what I want to do, and it's simply just Pong. Then come down here, and we're just going to do like, we're gonna do, paddle padding equals 5. No, we'll do paddle length over 2. And then we'll come down here to paddle length. No, paddle padding. We'll come down here as well. And just do paddle padding. Is this Elephant Gym? It is. I know my math rock. That's so dumb. We can actually come here and just do this then. But we also need to do this minus paddle padding. And then we need to do, just make this paddle padding. So that way, because 0 is not less than 0. Last time I checked. So, okay. So, this is correct. The only reason it looks incorrect is because of how we're rendering it right now. And we actually want the start to be minus um okay, hold up. We're also gonna have int get paddle padding. It's not the right bracket. Return paddle padding. I'm gonna go here. Wait, this is like half right. Right? Because I would want plus paddle padding, I believe. I don't actually know. Okay, so we want it to start at minus paddle padding, yes. We want the current position. No, because then it's 10 wide, but we want it to be. Oh no, we can completely get rid of that because we can just do plus paddle padding, which would in turn make it the exact length we want. Because now I should just be able to uh like um yeah, so if I come here, okay, this I do not like. And also unhide this. If I come here, And actually, this I really don't like. I'll stick with my comfort. If I come here and I change the paddle length to like 50, then this should work. Yes, I don't like where it spawns though. Because current position always starts at 0. But we want current position. Oh, that's an easy fix actually. Because we just come up here. I tell you what. Nope, I don't. I really dislike when that happens. It's genuinely so infuriating. Why do that? Nope, that's not what I want. Then we can come here. We go to just position equals battle length. Nope, battle batting. At least I believe so. Now after we compile it and run it, it spawns correctly. Yes. Okay, now let me fix the wrapping around issue. Which I think is literally just like a inverse logic error. Like, I had it right the first time, but then I was questioning myself. I could be wrong though. Yeah, yeah, exactly. Okay. Um, and then we can just up the speed by upping the. We're gonna say we're gonna add a new variable. Uh-oh. We're gonna call it speed. Right now we have it at 1, and we'll have a okay, stop using the mouse. This is a no mouse. Ent set speed. We're gonna have ent new speed, and then we'll have a classic if int nope, if new speed is less than 0. Oh, why are we returning anything here? This needs to be void. Also, nope. Wait, do functions not need these after them? Is that real? Or am I tripping? I don't actually know. Guess that's on me. Or if new speed is less than 0 or new speed is greater than yeah, you know, like I don't know, 50. We can just do I'll just do speed equals new speed. And then just simply that. And then here we can actually go if yeah, because this actually already catches that. Look at that. Don't even need to change anything in that other file either. Yep, compiles okay, and then now we'll just go ahead and we'll set the speed to 10. So now I should move literally 10 times as fast. And it does. Okay, that's pretty cool. Bing, 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 bing. Now we add in a ball, maybe? I guess the ball would be next. It's a pretty logical next step. Now, see, this is where things get interesting, because I'm low key above my pay grade already here, but we're gonna try. I'm not. Is it like this? Maybe. Ball position. That does not look right at all. Is it like this? That looks more right. Okay. I should have it taken like you know what? Ah, touche. We're gonna set everything in here. So now it doesn't matter what anything is, because now we just come in here and we set the max height to height, and we set the max width to width, and then we set the, oh gosh, no, what am I doing? We'll set initial speed to 0. Hmm. We're gonna have a default paddle. Oh, paddle length could be equal to a function of height. Like height over 10. Right? Isn't that 1/10 of the screen? Or am I crazy? Is this the same as Am I going crazy? I think I might be going crazy. Alright, let's say we had 50, right? Over 10 is 10%. And if we had 25 over 10, 10%. Okay, we're gonna trust it. Trust your gut. Score needs to be set to 0. True, 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 true. Ball position. Yes, this is why I made this. This is why I made this. Because now I can do ball position 0. To actually, you know what? Width over 2 x, and then this would be y. So this is actually, oh, still would be height over 2. Yeah, but now when I go here, this should raise an error. No? Oh, I guess I set in here Pong is equal to, and then a new instance of Pong with parameters from the API. Specifically the renderer, and then screen width. And then API, the render, and then the screen width height. Didn't I want to pass in a third thing? I guess not. Oh! Pong. Candidate Pong, Pong, Pong. Pong did not compile successfully. That's a lie. Okay, I actually don't know what's going on here. So this is going to be a little bit of a cheat because I don't know if I'd be able to fix this in in a reasonable amount of time without Googling or doing anything. So I did put null pointer up here earlier, but I just forgot what the heck I was doing. What? Oh, no. Pong. You know, we set Pong here, right? Yes. Okay. Oh. Yeah. Oh, yeah, because these are all now. Right. Right. Because these are now actually something referenced. Okay. That was a lot less scary than I thought. Now you compiled successfully. Now we're not moving. Awesome. I don't know why. Awesome. Okay. Yeah, every other time I had a little bit of an idea as to why it wasn't working, and then I added a lot. So this is gonna take a little while to debug. Um, to be fair, this always has to be even. So let's actually do, um, we'll put in a temp here, and we'll actually do, temp is equal to this, and, we'll say if, no, there's a way to do this. Isn't it like, um, this question mark, question mark, this, this, yes. So I do if height divided by 10 is even, then height divided by 10, else height divided by 10 minus 1. It always goes left to right, so I don't gotta worry about that. That's the only thing I can be thinking of that might be breaking it. And that wasn't it. I might have also implemented it very poorly. I forget how to do, that's not concatenation. What is that? Quarantine? Comp sci. Quarantines are computer programmed components that can be suspended and resumed, generalizing subroutines. Nope. Now I know what that is. That's not what I'm looking for. This is a... Oh, what are they? Ternary! Ternary. Okay. Still nothing. Still nothing. Let's be smart and let's actually add in. Why is this? I don't like how the includes are like grayed out and this yeah, but whatever. stdio.h, isn't that it? The one where you can do like see out. Let's say when it's moving, we'll say let's say std see out, or that's fstream, isn't it? I don't know what stdio is. I forget that. I like fstream better, I think. Is that what it's called? And then this is see out. How the heck? Oh, what the heck is fstream? What? Oh. It's IO stream. F stream. That sounds computer sciencey, I don't know. I would just say moving. And then I'm also gonna do direction. I don't know if you can actually do that or not. Moving, 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 moving. It's not moving. In case you couldn't tell, it's actually not moving despite what it's saying down there. And I also realized I do want a new line character. Um, Okay, we are so back. And by that, I mean I have no freaking clue what to do from here. We're going to go ahead and I think um, STD cout current position. That's what we're gonna do. Which may look a little funky, but oh, you know that's running a lot slower than I thought it would. I guess it is locked at 30 FPS. One Mississippi. Two, three, oh, still feels up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Oh, it can move both directions at the same time. I guess I should do if the buttons are pressed at the same time. Shouldn't really do anything. Because then you have two functions being called. So is that position 15? Yeah, I don't know. I don't. Wait, I actually do have an idea. Because if you're, if it's got to be this, right? Because I'm minusing one. Wouldn't I want to add one so that way it's like you're adding that little bit on, so that way it's not um. Okay, well, it is at a different position. I will give it that. What I don't like is this saying stuff right now. So as long as I know position isn't moving. And we can actually just go and do this as well. Maybe. Yeah. We'll do that. Okay. Well, it doesn't need to be that many. Alright, so that means it is being computed as odd. So, I still think it's something with that. So instead of having the paddle length be that right now, let's just manually make paddle length like 20. Make it a nice even number. See what happens. Still not working. Okay. But that leads us off this red herring. And since this is always even, it wouldn't be this. We could try this. I don't think that's gonna be it. Oh, I didn't compile anything. It was not different. Compile and then run. Yeah, you can even see it's not touching there. So I will actually keep that as not touching, but this makes me think it's actually the way it's implemented now. Is like is just wrong, like fundamentally. Uh, um, like I think it's maybe the way it's being referenced now. Mm, I mean, I guess. Uh, like, like maybe this? I guess. Is it this? Gosh, it's so confusing. Mm, this. No. Gosh. Okay, what am I doing wrong? What am I doing wrong? What am I doing wrong? Oh, it's like I'm passing in like just like an actual okay. So passing in like the data type is not okay. Okay. Oh, I know what's wrong now. Now all of this needs to be the dot again. But like, I don't feel like this is going to be what it's like. I just don't think this is what is causing it not to move. Like, I'm going down this rabbit hole for literally nothing. For literally nothing. Honestly, I like the way this looks better. It makes it look like I know what I'm doing. Like, inherently, I really don't. And this I can keep in here just in case if I need it. Just in case. Just in case. Just in case. Just in case. Down, up. 1. Down, up. 2. Wait, is the speed set to 0? Oh, oh no. We're not, right? Like, we're not. Oh, oh no, I have the speed set to 0. I had the speed set to 0. No, no. Don't do this. Okay, well, I'm glad I figured that out. Gosh, it took me that long to figure out it was speed related. But now we should be able to do this and enjoy perfection. Look at that. Oh, look at that beauty. Pong in all its glory. Let's make it pink. Maybe. Oh, it is an 8-bit. So, probably definitely a lot of reds, maybe. Wait, it's only 8-bit color? Whoa, wait, whoa, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh. Ooh, this palette's very limited, huh? I think it would be something like this, maybe. I just realized how limited this color palette is. That's not even close. How did I get that color? Oh, right. Yeah, no, you need to be... Okay, yeah, I was just missing a few. I was gonna say, I didn't think my color was off that bad. Yeah, like that's not quite pink. Let me see what all you can have with a 8-bit color palette. This sounds more like Polyphia, not... Oh, this is Polyphia. What the heck? Not a math rock? Like, I found the perfect thing, but not... Oh, is this it? So this is... I'm assuming 0, 1, 2... Oh, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I went like... How, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so 255 minus 8. That's minus 4. This is minus 8. Correct? No. Yeah. Yeah. That looks right. Yeah. Holy. Look at that. By the way, this is what I'm referencing from Wikipedia. If you go to 8-bit color right here, and the way I got that is this is like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and so on until 255, which is pure white. Then this pink would be minus, not 8. No, it'd be 255 over 8, which is I actually am using, I don't know what color I'm using. This one. The color I actually wanted was minus the next power, I believe. Nope. Nope. Mm-mm. Alright, I'm having a dumb moment. 255 over 8. 32. Okay. 1, 2. Holy crap. 1, 2. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. What? Removing one red value? Okay. No, maybe I did get it right the first time. I don't know. I'm tripping. Oh my. Yeah, calm down. Just be happy with what I have. It's close enough. Um, so this is like the basically ground API. Or the framework. Follow that. Now I have this. And we have now technically, or I want to get to a point where wait, is it? It is. Yeah. It's been doing that for a little while. I forgot about that. So this is actually using my render engine, which means I can draw. Wait, which mean wait. Whoa. This. Okay. My brain is not working right now. Okay, yeah, no, this means I can just do API render, and then I can do draw text. Yes. And I'll do like 100. Wait, that's X. 0, 100. And then this is a const char. Oh no. I never thought about this. How to convert an int to what data type did I use? A character. Is that... Dog, I'm tripping. Like, I assume it's just like... There's definitely no way to just like... Right? Like in my wildest dreams, obviously. But you ent 8th color. Yeah, we'll just do 255 again. Yeah, I guess I could use... Yeah. I'll just do what this is saying. And I'll just include the string library. Which kinda sucks. I mean, like, what can you do? This Ichika? Yeah, I know he's had some controversy with him recently. Kinda sucks. I just want to do like a temp string and then equals std string from? Or is it to string from an integer value? And this would be current position. And then we do I might structure this a little better. Hmm? Wait, F1 does that? Oh my gosh, I've been doing this the whole time. Well, that's nice to know. I'll say pause string just so I know what it is. Okay, well that just looks freaking dumb, doesn't it? But now it should all be rendered locally and I won't even have to worry about. Okay. Well. Ah, I did want the X. Poopy. That's awesome though. That's awesome. That's awesome, dude. Oh, I'm using my own freaking... Oh. Oh, dude, that's so cool. Dude, that's so freaking cool. Oh my gosh. I'm using my own engine to debug and draw the text for where it is. PyPico simulator. If I get this actually working, like I'm gonna be so happy, dude. Hmm. Incredibly happy. Just needs a lot of time, effort, and work. I was gonna say, it only moves in multiples of 5. Like, I can't get it to go any lower, but it's literally stuck set to values of 5. This is so incredibly cool. Let me try to rework that actually while I remember. That'd be under render engine. And in the draw text, well, looks like I already have a to-do here. Essentially make an easier a better way to intake text instead of a like const char question mark. But yeah, no, right now I guess this all works. It's not that bad. Okay, but now we need the ball. How the heck do I do the ball? Well, I've already added the ball, technically. So now I just need to render the ball. Which I guess is just do this again. But instead of doing that this time, we now will be rendering it. Let's see, starting X would just be ball. Crap. Which ball? Pong. Oh, crap. True. Can I just rename this everywhere to like get paddle position? Oh, it did update. Look at that. And now I can do int. That's not int. Get ball position. And now I just do return position, ball position. Can I do this? Is that legal? Is that not legal? Why is that not legal? Wait. Wait, that's low-key kind of gas. Okay, this is gonna take a freaking second. Um, okay, do I do I do individual like X and Y, or do I do something that is completely freaking bonkers? Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna go too bonkers right now. I'd rather not. Instead, I will do just get ball X and ball position 0. Ball position Y, get ball position 1. And can I freaking do this, please? I keep forgetting this, like, isn't necessary on these. I don't know, I don't think I'll ever learn genuinely, but yeah, no, and then I can just do here, I can do int ball X equals pong dot, nope, pong, not dot, but instead, oh, that's not it. Get ball X. Then we'll do the same, but with ball Y. And then we'll just do ball X, ball Y, and do ball X, ball Y. I guess this is just draw pixel at this point. We can come back to it and make it bigger, but I guess this is just a proof of concept now. We'll just do 255. Huh? Oh, I was gonna say, I thought I knew my render engine a little bit better, but maybe I didn't. Ah, there it is. There it is. Hopefully it shows up. It's a little pixel. Oh, it actually does not show up. Oh yeah, it does. Yeah, it's just a small little pixel in the middle. Ooh. Wait, I have a freaking circle function. Oh my goodness. Oh, I was gonna say, that's still tiny. But I never compiled it. Yes. This is exactly what this was built for. Draw circle. It has literally just enough functions. But I need to see what this is. Center of the X. Which would be ball X. And then ball Y, I assume. Nothing wrong there yet. Radius, we'll do like 10, maybe? Thickness at a 5, and then 255, maybe? What happens if I just do this? Does this break? Like the circle shape? Actually, no. It looks filled in. Low key. And then we could just do, like this to really make it pop. Are we real? That's the first time I've ever had it block the DLL. Now we need to add ball movement. Which I guess we'll do ball X. Which I guess would be just void update ball X. Be int new X. Then we have ball position 0 equals new X. Do we want the logic taken care of inside of the game? Or inside of the header? I mean, probably. Ball position 1 equals new Y. So now I guess we could just like on every call, right? Every call up here. Yeah, all the rendering should be like kept on its own. All of these getters should be on their own. This conversion can actually be down here with the render. I guess you could just do Pong update ball X with Pong, or no, ball X plus plus. Nope, +1. There you go. Ah, This does return the value, but it also, oh yeah, it would also update that. So it would render properly on that tick. Ah, clever, clever, clever. Dog, I don't think that's moving. Maybe it can't be that. Maybe I misunderstand that. Yes, and now it's off into the void forever, never to be seen again. Bye-bye. Okay, we need we need to have something that says if. Oh, oh. We can have something like another freaking flippin' another let's go into ball position. Yeah, no, the ball positions are gonna be set to whatever anyway. We can have a bool here saying, oh, check this out, direction. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, it's almost like down. Oh, 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 oh. Actually, we want ball direction, just so we're keeping it clear. Let me be clear. And this we want if. Okay. You know what? Can I? Is this legal? Can I just do this? Okay, well that's not legal, sadly. But I feel like this should be. Yeah, that's more than legal. Oh yeah, I guess. Yeah, that's nice formatting. I like that. Low key, I like the look of that better. Just looks off-putting, almost. You know what? There we go. Okay. Sorry, this is just awful. This is terrible coding. Oh my god, this is bad. Oh, but it's funny. Oh, but it's so much more funny. Oh, yes. Yeah, of course, of course, of course. We gotta. Oh. Oh, yeah, no, 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 no. We can't forget about this. Obviously. Yeah, we have all these voids and bools. We can't. Oh, God, what happened? What happened here? Wait, no, you guys don't need to be that far over. Why are we that far over? Yeah, you get to go at the bottom. You're special. Oh. This genuinely looks awful. Okay, so we don't have a get direction, do we? No, because I was cleaning all that up. Oh yeah, 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 right there, right there. I kind of want to put the paddle position and paddle padding there, and then get ball direction. So now we have ball direction. Will um will be let's set it to false. Is that how do I have it set up? I don't have it set up. Okay. So I want 0 to be this way. So if it's false, then you're subtracting. Okay, yeah, yeah, yeah. If Pong, get ball direction. Else Pong up, update ball X ball X -1. Now it should be coming towards. Oh, oh no, oh no, oh no. Ah. Okay. And now we can have a check here where we say if ball. Should this all be in here? I mean, I don't know. It doesn't matter. This is just like a fun little demo. If ball X. I swear this returns. Does it not? Oh no, I guess we don't even want that, but. Okay. We're gonna have to have a ball speed, and we're gonna have to set the ball speed at some point. Because we want it to progressively speed up, probably. I would assume that's the hope. And then you come over here. We're just gonna have ball X minus ball speed plus ball speed. And then we just have down here like down here we're gonna have Pong update ball X, and then we're gonna add in right here and ball speed equals Pong. Get ball speed. I have to come over here and get ball speed. Return ball speed. Something's going wrong. Oh, plus equals. Yeah, we need the assignment operator. Duh. Let me just have this like. Okay, so now if we set ball direction, this is actually how I'm gonna test that to make sure that that works. Well, I guess it does work because everything else has been working so far. So now it should, yeah, now it'll go to the right. Okay. Oh. If ball X is less than ball X minus. Oh yeah, I guess up here I just need like an. Okay. Int paddle thickness. Yup. Yup. Paddle thickness 10. We're gonna come up here. I'm gonna say int paddle thickness. Oh, because we don't want to call it every single time now, do we? We're gonna go here. I'm gonna say paddle thickness is equal to Pong. Get paddle thickness. Technically, we could just expose it. But you know what? I'm so down. Gosh, this is awful. This is just terrible. Pong. But like now it knows to call from there. Oh, I see. Do I not have a... Okay. Are we being real? No, we're not. Oh! Do you ever just... think? Who made this absolute banger? Flawed mangoes. Tough name. Very tough. We're gonna compile it, and then we're gonna run it. Oh, 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 oh. Bong. We're gonna set ball direction to not pong. Get ball direction. Oh, oh, look at that. Oh, that's just beautiful. Oh my goodness. And then we can go over here and we can do the same thing. So like ball X plus pong battle thickness is greater than width. Width. Shit. Pong. Width. Max width. Wait, isn't that just... That's hidden. Is it hidden? No. No, it's not. Anyway. Expose everything. Oh. What the f... Pong CPP. Expected for the set ball direction. Pong set ball direction. Get ball direction. Oh, I see. I see. My fault, gang. My fault. You know what? Man. Wait, what was I doing? Yep, yep. Get paddle thickness. Turn. And then what was the other one I gotta do? You have... Well, now that this is a changing variable all of a sudden, because, you know, that matters. Of course I'm gonna have some fun with it at some point. Do I know what? No? Or do I know what? No. Okay, we're gonna do int, nope, get max width. Oh, yeah, no. I'm only using this once, right? Let's get max width. Hello? There we go. Compile that thing. Run it. Come on, ball. Ooh. Ooh, that's tough. Wait for it, and wait for it. Just you wait, just you wait, just you wait. Watch this. Watch. Oh! Look at that. Oh, and guess what? Watch this. Mmm. Also, that's not quite... That's not... Look, you might hate it, but like this is actually some pretty beautiful code if I do say so myself. Can I set ball speed? Why haven't I added that yet, dude? Yeah. We're just gonna yoink that. Why not? Okay. So it compiles properly. So now we're gonna come here and we're gonna do Pong. We're gonna set the ball speed. Update it here? Yeah, okay. I was gonna say. And we're gonna set that bad boy to 20. 20 old pixels per second. Hang on. It's not zipping, actually. Is this moving any faster? Is that is that moving any faster? Am I tripping? $50 is not less than 50, to be clear. No. No, no, no. Okay, so something's definitely wrong with the set ball speed function. Okay. Minus equals ball speed. But we're setting the ball speed up here. This is like some weird detective work type shit. Type she. What's happening with the ball speed? Shouldn't this be and? By the way, this should definitely be an and. If we're wanting it to pass criteria, we gotta make sure it's passing both criteria. Okay, well, at least it's still moving. Ball direction. Let's see. Ball speed. Get ball speed. So we want the X of the ball. So we're setting the ball speed, correct? And then we're updating the ball with the ball speed. So I don't know why this isn't working. Cause like this, you pass the new X into it, right? And we're passing the new X into it, which we're getting by doing the ball plus ball X. Oh. Wait, what? No, 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 but it's still no, this is right. Yeah. Because it's failing. So it's doing minus equals ball speed. Which we're getting the ball speed on the fly every single time. Okay. Cool. We're gonna add in a new freaking debug on the screen. And it's gonna be ball speed. And we're gonna have it at 100. We're gonna have it at 200. Oh snap. Holy shit. I'm sorry. Yeah, we can do that. Ball speed string. I can rename it. No problem, boss. Yo, and check this out, check this out, check this out. Bang, reusing space. Oh my goodness. The ball speed is 1. When it bounces? No, it's still 1. It's set to 20 here. I don't... Int new speed. If new speed is less than 0, and new speed is greater than 50, if new speed is greater than, and new speed is less than 50. Okay. If new speed is less than... So, if new speed is greater than and new speed is less than 50. Actually, I'm gonna do 51 because I want to allow for 50. I think 50 is okay. I might have just caught the bug. I think I found it. Holy shit! Bang. 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 It's not actually doing any collision detection. That looks super choppy. Is it only because of the FPS? It might be. That definitely actually looks like 30 FPS artifacting. Now that I think about it. But I mean, like, what do you expect? Like, that's the best you're gonna get. Like, there's not actually 2 there at any one point. It's just your eyes, like, tricking you. Because, like, I can pause the exact frame just by holding the window, and like, the whole emulator freezes. So, like, you can go slowly and, like, frame by frame. Like, you can catch it here, too. Like, you can see how it's not quite. Because we need to add the ball size. Yes. Do we have a ball size? We do not. That we need. We need a ball size. We need a ball size. We need the balls size. Ball size. Wazowski. Ball size. We will set it to. I don't know. Probably the same it was. So 5. Ball size. I'll set that bad boy to 5. Now we gotta come down here and have a getter and a setter. Get ball size. Return ball size. Then we'll do this. New size. Wait, I wonder how localized this knows to be. Whoa, that's crazy. It just knows. Also, I don't think I want the ball to be bigger than 10. And we're gonna set the, and then we have int ball size goes pong. Yeah, ball. Nope. What is happening? This we're gonna have get. Nope. Nope. We just have nope. Ball size, and then we have ball size times. Is there multiplication in this? Yeah, because we're gonna have to float the ball and then multiply it by another float, and then just like cast it to an int if that's possible. Which I mean, I actually don't know if that's possible. This might crash. Oh no, I didn't. Okay, does this actually work? Yeah, then like, what happens if I set this to like 100? Like, this will obviously be like, yeah, yeah, no, I didn't expect that, but I should have, probably, maybe, sort of. Yeah. Okay, so now we actually have to incorporate ball size into this minus paddle thickness plus ball size over 2. Wait. We'll say half ball size. Pong dot. Oh no, we can just do ball size over 2. We can say actually gotta go here and get rid of this. We'll say plus half ball size. Over here we'll say plus minus half ball size. Right? So we want it to be we definitely want to set this to lower speed, like maybe 5. 5 would be good. Quarter speed. Right? Yeah, quarter speed. I did not compile it. And then so it seems to be perfectly ball X. Does this need to be plus? Plus, and then this needs to just be minus minus. Right? I'm not tripping. Wait, why am I incorporating the ball size onto here? Oh, I think it needs to be the other way around completely. Oh, oh, that might be it. Oh, that looks like it's it. I don't think so. Not quite. I think it might be full ball size. Oh no! That looks like it bounces immediately. Nah, it definitely fades into it a little bit. But like still, that's really good. Is that where I stop for today? It's like, what if I compile it? Yeah, look at that, look at that, look at that. And then the ball speed. Wait. Oh, wait, wait. Bong. Set ball speed. Ball speed plus 1. Oh shit. Oh, right. Yeah, no, it'll cap out at 50. Look at that. Look at me adding fail safes. Also, oh, that's just because it's jumping 50 pixels. At a time. So I can way jump the gap. Depending on like what cycle it's on. Yeah, see like that. Alright. Alright. Well, we've got a little bit of Pong cooked up. That's embarrassing. My mic has been muted. Anyway, goodbye.